What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to turn this image into that image. Basically, you're gonna learn how to apply textures to your image using Canva, all into a simple, fast, effective method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your Canva, do the design that you wish. You can apply any image that you want to your design. For example, let me clone this one, remove it. Let me go to photograph. And let me apply some nice picture. Lots of countries. I think a country picture seems good. Here, a country picture. Then, all I have to do is review the left sidebar of menus, hover a mouse over apps, and into the search field, search for texture. Here is the guide we are looking for. Start up the app, click into the image, okay? To make the app work, you must click into the image. And then you have a couple of options to play with. For example, the grunge. Or maybe the paper. I love the paper style. It makes the image looks like it's a piece of paper. It sounds amazing. Let me use another example right here. There is a couple of textures to play with. Every single one gives you a different result. My favorite is the paper one. I think it's the best one, in my personal opinion. You have the full, the darker, the lighten. Seems amazing, right? We can change the scale in the case that you wish. You can make some rotation in the case that you want, and you can change the opacity. All up to you. After generating the design you wish, save the change, and the image is gonna be there. In the case that you want, you have other options right here. We have the glitch. With this you can basically create the texture that you want. Simple, easy, and very effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!